Bro, why are you shouting? You have no business to be.
Boy, bash it down. One. Let bash it down.
The sad truth is, nobody is ever going to know the real me and the truth behind why I am the way I am and act. I once felt like I meant something to the world, like people were there for me and cared. I was happy, but it didn't last long. Nights of overthinking, mind drowning in thoughts, wondering why everything switched. What did I do wrong that caused all of this never-ending loop of pain? Am I worthless, nothing, non-existent, and just an option for people when they have nobody? I think to myself, am I the problem? What if I was just gone? Would anybody care? I am tired. But if I were to disappear, I would be selfish. I won't be able to check up on people and see how they're doing, even though things aren't going well for me. That's just who I am. I want to feel loved, cared for, and just feel like I mean something. Is that too much to ask for?